dear friends, now let us look into this type of medium level of mechanical drawing. So firstly, I am going to start this diagram from this point. See, I am going to start this diagram from this point. So by taking this as the center point, I need to draw a circle. So from here, and firstly I am going into the command line. So in this diagram the unit system is in meters, so we need to set to meters, and the precision, the highest precision here is so 0.000 is the highest value, so we need to set that precision value to maximum. So firstly I am going into the command line and see the command un and press enter, and see here set this precision value to 0.000 and set this to meters. Click OK. Now after setting the required unit system, so we need to give the limits. So I am giving the limits. So give the command lim and press enter. So defaultly it is 0, 0. So you can press enter, or you can also give the value 0, 0. Press enter. Now the upper right corner it is asking. So the highest dimension in this diagram. So once check and give more value to the highest dimension. So I am giving some value 15, 15 and press enter. Now after giving limits, so we need to give the command Z enter for zooming and diagram. So now start from this point, this center point. So firstly I am going into this. So axis N tool. Click here axis N and click here iso circle. So I am clicking this at the center point. Now it is asking the radius of isocircle. So the outer radius has given here. See, the outer diameter has given. So it is the outer diameter. So which is of, once check, 3.25. So 3.25 has given, which is in 5, which means diameter. So click here diameter option and give the value as 0. So it has given 3.25 and press enter. Now I got this circle with 3.25. Now I need a copy of this circle to a distance of, so it has given here the thickness. See, thickness is 0.50 has given here the thickness. See, thickness is 0.50 has given. So I need to make a copy of this item, so to a distance of 0.5. Now I am going into the command line, giving the command CO and press enter. Now select this circle and press enter. Select this center point as the base point and towards 30 degrees. So we need to make a copy of this. So give the value 0.5 and press enter. No need to give additional 0. So it will take 0.5 only. So I am pressing enter. So now see, this is my 0.5. And now there are circles here, see, which is of diameter 0.5. There are 4 circles. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So now what should I do? I need to draw a line. So I am taking line command, and by tracking the center point, so don't track this center point. So this center point is related to this circle. So this center point is related to this circle. So which is beside to this circle. So it is the center point of that. So we need to draw line by tracking this front circle's center point, because these circles we need to place at this interface, the front circle interface only, no, not back circle. So for that I am tracking the center point. Now again I am drawing a line horizontally also from the same center point. So now what should I do? So it has given the distance of these center points has given. So see here, half of the distance has given, 1.125 has given here. So from circle to circle the center distance is 1.125. Now what should I do? So first set the point type. So give the command unit point, click OK and give the command PO, press enter, put a point at the center of this. So now I need to move this point towards top and towards right side. So I am giving the command M and press enter. Select this point and press enter. Select this as the base point and move this towards top to a distance of 1.125, which has given. So now I need to draw a circle here. So first I need to draw a circle, or we can also make a copy of this point. So I am giving the command CO and press enter. Select this point and press enter. Select this as the base point. Now make a copy to the center, and now again I need to move this point. So give the command M and press enter. Select this point, press enter. Select this as the base point and move this point towards left hand side to a distance of the same distance will be applied on 4 sides. See, this distance will be applied horizontally, will be applied vertically, will be applied left hand side and the downwards also. So the same distance is we need to apply. So now I am moving this to a distance of 1.125 and press enter. Now in the similar way I am putting a point over center. So give the command PO, I am putting a point here. Now again give the command M and press enter. Select this point, press enter. Select this as the base point. Now move this point rightwards to the same distance 1.125. Press enter. Now I am again putting a point. So give the command PO and press enter. Select this center point. Now give the command M and press enter. Select this point and press enter. Select this as the base point. Now move this downwards to the same distance 1.125 and press enter. Now what should I do? I need to draw a circle element here. So I am drawing axis and tool, taking axis and tool, taking ISO circle, selecting this as the center point. Now the diameter of this circle has given 0.5. See, it has given 0.5 has given. And now, so it is asking radius. So you need to click here diameter, or you can also type the first alphabet D and press enter. Now it will be changed to diameter. Now it is asking the diameter of that circle. I am giving 0.50 and press enter. Now I got a circle here. Now what should I do? I need the same diameter circles. So here, here, here. So I need those locations. So for that I am making copy of this circle at 4 points. Now giving the command CO and press enter. Select this circle and press enter. Select this as the base point. Now make a copy to here. Make a copy to here also and make a copy here. Now we got 4 circles, right? Now what should I do? So there is a circle at the center also, see, which is of diameter 1.20 has given. So it is at the middle of this object. So I need to draw a circle again. So selecting this ISO axis and selecting ISO circle, and to the center of this circle, so I need to draw a diameter circle of 1.2. So I am clicking this diameter option and giving the value 1.2 and press enter. Now I got a circle inside also. Now what should I do? There is a distance has given, so which is of 2.20 has given here. See, which is 2.20. So which is the distance from this center point to the external center point. See, I will be here. If I draw a line from here to here, the length of 2.20, so I will be here. So now what should I do? I am selecting line command toward this direction and giving the value 2.20. Press enter. Now I am here. So I am here and there it has circles. See, there it has circles. So now check. So there are circles here. So the outer circle has given. See, this is the outer circle which is of diameter 1.25 and there is a depth. See, this is the depth symbol. So we represent like this. So it is the depth of that. So 0.2 is the depth and the diameter is 1.25. So we need to give that diameter. So now I am drawing a circle first at the center point of this. So for that I am going into axis and select ISO circle, select this as the base point, this as the base point, and now I am giving the diameter. So I am clicking here diameter option and giving the value 1.25 and press enter. This is my diameter and this is at a depth of 0.2. It is the meaning of this, and I need to make a copy of this circle to a depth of 0.2. See, this is the depth of this circle. Now what should I do? I give the command CO and press enter. Select this circle and press enter. Select this as the base point and make a copy of this towards 30 degrees of distance 0.1 and press enter. Now I am here and there is a circle inside this. See, which is of diameter. It has given 0.75 has given. See, so it is the diameter of this circle. There is a circle inside this also. Again I am selecting axis and tool, selecting the ISO circle option, and see, I need to track the center point of this back circle, not the front circle. So because this circle lies on the back circle's center point. So now I need to select this as the center point, and I need to give the diameter, which is of 0.75 has given 0.75 and press enter. Now I got a profile like this. Now what should I do? So there are circles here, see, there are circles. So which is of diameter 0.50. There are 4 circles here, the small circles, and the outer circle has given here 0.625. So which is of radius 0.625 has given, but those are at some location. So the center points of these 2 circles has given here, which is 2.00, and the same, so the center point has given here horizontally, so 2.00. So horizontal and vertical. So firstly we need to draw that. Now what should I do? So I need to draw a line first towards this. So I am drawing a line from this center point to top to a distance of 1/2, and I need to draw a line towards this 1 and press enter, and towards down 2 and press enter. I need to go here. So I need to give the value 2 and press enter. I need to go to top 2 and press enter. Now I need to join this. So now I got the center points of these circles. See, I got the center points of this circle. So like that I have drawn a line from this center point. So now what should I do? I need to draw the first outer circle. So for that I am selecting axis and tool, select the isocircle option and click here at the center point. Now the radius has given 0.625. So give that value. Now I got a circle, outer circle I have got. Now I need to make a copy of this circle, because this circle I need at 4 corners. See, 4 corners I need that circle. So for that reason I am giving the command C1 and press enter, select this circle and press enter, select this as the base point, and see, I am putting it over here. So I got 4 circles. Now what should I do? There are small circles inside which is of diameter 0.5. So again I am selecting axis and tool, select the option isocircle and click here the center point, and now we need to give the radius. So it has given 0.5 which is of diameter, not the radius. So give, I am typing D and press enter so that it will be changed to diameter, and give the value 0.550 and press enter. Now I got a circle here also. Now I need to make a copy of this small circle at 4 points, same. So give the command CO, press enter, select the circle, press enter, select this as the center point. See, now make a copy to here, to here, to here. So now see, this is the profile I am getting. And now what should I do? There is a fillet here. See, there is a fillet which is of radius 0.75 has given. So all the fillet radius, there are 4 fillets here. So each and every radius is 0.75. So now what should I do? I am going into this fillet option, or you can also give the command F enter and select the radius option. Now I need to give the radius as 0.75 and press enter. Now select the multiple option so that we can select multiple objects at this circle and this circle. I need a fillet of radius here, and I need a fillet here. Select these two, and I need a fillet here also. I need to select these two, and I need a fillet here also. So I need to select these two. So like that I got some fillets also. Now what should I do? So it is in a confusing way. So firstly I need to draw a line here also. So I am taking line command and just drag this quadrant point of this circle and quadrant point of this circle and just draw a line. And in the similar way I need to draw a line from here to here also. So now see, so I got like this. And so once if we remove the unwanted things, we will be clearly visible what we are doing. So give the command TR and press couple of times enter. And now what should I do? So I need to remove the unwanted things here. See, I am removing unwanted things. So closely observe and remove whatever the things we don't need, and once check, and the rest of the things you can select, and once check, and the rest of the things you can select and press delete. So I am selecting the rest of the things here. So these things I don't need, so I am selecting those things. So see, I am removing points also because those are for reference purpose only I have used. So I am deleting those things also. So I am deleting these lines. So whatever I don't need I am removing, I'm just selecting that. So if you wrongly select, so you need to press shift and you can select, so those that will be deselected. If you press shift and if you select, the selected items will be deselected. So I am removing, selecting and removing. See, and this is my profile I am getting like this. And once check anything we don't need. So now what should I do? I need a thickness of this. See, there is a thickness, it has given 0.50 has given here. So I need to make a copy of this item, this curved item, to a distance of 0.5 from this. See, so for that I am selecting CO, press enter and select this whatever I need. So I am selecting all the curves. So I am selecting, and after selection press enter. So now from this point I need to make a copy of this towards 30 degrees. So I need to make a copy 0.5, press enter. Now I got a profile like this, and now I need to join this by using line command. So I am joining this, and from here to here also I need to join a line, and in the similar way I need to join a line from here to here also, and I need to join a line from here to here, and in the similar way I need to join a line. So now once we need to remove the unwanted things so that the things will be very clear. So I am removing these things. See, I am giving trim and pressing couple of times enter, and the things I don't need here, and I don't need this circle, I don't need this, I don't need this. This is the profile I need. And now once check, so I don't need this circle also. This is the extra circle. Now this is also extra, so I need to remove this. I need to join a line from here to here. So now this is the profile I am getting, and now I need to join a line. So I am taking line command again, and I need to join a line from here to here and press enter 2 times. So again I need to join a line from here to here. So now there is another line from here to here. See, there is a line from here to here also. I need to join those two also. So for that I am selecting again line command, and I am drawing a line from here to here, and in the similar way I need to join a line from here to here. So again we need to remove the internal things. I don't need this thing. These things I don't need. So see, this is my actual profile I am getting like this, and these things are the axis line. So I am selecting and changing these to, going into properties and click this by layer, click other, load, and select the center, click OK, select center again, set current, close. So once select and change these lines to a type of this center type. Now see, and those are very large, and you need to give LTS, line type scale, and press enter. There is 1, the value, I am giving 2. So I am giving some 0.5 and press enter. Now see, this is my axis, and now what should I do? I need to draw a line. So these axis lines I am drawing. So once check, I am drawing the axis lines. And I need to represent here also. So we cannot apply center point, center marks. So for this, so those won't be applied here for this isometric drawings. So for that reason we need to draw a line only to represent the center marks. So now see, this is my actual profile I am getting like this. So now our task is to give the dimensions, right? So once check and change this to by layer, and now I am giving this dimensioning by going into this align dimensioning, and wherever required the dimensions, so we need to put the dimensions there. So just press enter so that the last used command will be activated. So once check each and every dimension we have given or not. So now some other dimensions are in radius and some other dimensions are in diameters. So for that we need to give the command mleader. So or you can also select this from this option. So once check where the leader is. So the multi-leader we need to apply for that. So for that I am giving the command ml m multi-leader. So select this multi-leader, and so I need to put this dimension. So here I am putting a dimension here. So I am just drawing a box here and just type R 0 point. So you can also give some point 0.625 and click on this close text editor. Now put this arrow mark. So here I required here. Now just move this to the required place wherever required. So now see, this is my drawing. Actually it is getting like this. If you need to change any properties of this leader line or leader text, so you need to go to command line and give the command m leader style. So if you go to m leader style and click on this modify, so you need to go to command line and give the command m leader style. So if you go to m leader style and click on this modify, so you can find each and everything, the leader format, how you need the format of this leader. You can also change the type here. So you need to, if you need spline also you can change, or you need none also you can put like this. So generally we need to put this straight, and you can also change the size of this arrowhead of this size. And if you click on this leader structure, so see you can also change this, and you can also click here content, and so see you can also change the text size by giving the value here. So I am not going to change anything, I am just showing you so how the things will be. So I am just clicking cancel and close. And now what should I do? I need to make a copy of this leader. So you need to put one leader line, and you can make a copy, multiple copies you can make, and just edit. Now I need to put this, so wherever required, so I am selecting this at the base point. Now I need here, and I am clicking wherever required this leader line. So I am clicking the inside, and I am clicking outside also. Now I need to make here and here and to this circle also. Now once check wherever required, so we need to put there the leader lines. And now what should I do? So I have put here. So see, I am moving this to the required place. See, this radius I have represented, and now I need to represent this. So I need to just double click on that, on this, and just double click on this, or you can also remove the value. So I need phi 0.50. So if you need any phi symbol, so you need to go to here symbol drop down and select this diameter, or you can also use the shortcut %C. If you type %C, then the diameter symbol will be applied, the phi symbol will get. So I am clicking here and giving the value as 0.50, or you can also type 0.50 also as you wish. So I am representing as per the diagram. So now see here there are two circles, so I need to move this to the required place. So I am just moving that, and you can also put wherever required and see. Now what is the value of that? Phi 0.75, right? So now I need to double click on this and go to this symbol drop down, click here diameter option, and give the value 0.7 text editor. Now in the similar way I need to keep here also. So I am making here. Now it is too large, I think, so I am putting here and moving this text here. Now I am editing this. So I need to put diameter here also. So click on this and select this diameter and give the value 1.125. And there is a depth symbol here. See. So there is a depth symbol. So once we need to check whether it is there or not. So in the list shown here, the depth symbol not there, right? So I need to go to here other, and I need to search here. So make search here. So there is a depth symbol or not. So there is a depth symbol or not. So see. So this is in aerial, and you can also select another, and you can also search. So we need to closely observe the thing, so it will be appeared. So it should be there. So these type of symbols in drawings, so the tolerance symbols and whatever the geometrical properties we need to represent in these diagrams, so that the manufacturing workers will easily understood how much depth we need to give or how much. So we need to represent the tolerances also here there. See, each and everything it has there. So the symbol is not there. So I am giving some space and I am giving the value 0.2, or you can also give deep. So you can just type deep and give the value 0.2. Then click close text editor. So it will represent like this. And now what should I do? So there is a radius value here also. So for this circle, and now I need to represent that. I am moving this to the required place. Say I need in this direction. So just edit this. So the same thing I need to represent here diameter and give the value 1.20 and click on outside, and I need to represent this also, this diameter. I am moving this to here. So give the diameter symbol and give the value 3.25 and click outside. So now any dimensions we have missed or what? So here I need this with the diameter of this, and I need, so I am typing percentage %C. So type percentage %C, so the pi symbol will be appeared and give the value 0.50. So now once check anything we have missed or what. So once check this. So each and everything we have represented, I think. Now our task is to align these dimensions with respect to the required angle. So for that I am going into this annotate tab and click on this dimension drop down and click this oblique option, and now I am selecting these dimensions which I need to align towards 150 degree. So I am selecting these things and press enter. Now give the value 150 and press enter. Now those will be aligned in that direction. And now, so I am moving this to near. Again I am selecting this oblique option and I am selecting this. So some things I need to align towards 90 degree. So selecting these things and press enter, give the value 90 and press enter. See, these things are in 90 degree. So like that we need to represent the dimensions. So these are the actual dimensions which has given. So now we need to change the precision from this dim style also. So for that I am going into the command dim style or dim, press enter, click on this modify and click on this primary units and set this precision to 0.220 and click on this text tab, select this align with dimension line and click OK, set current close. Now see, these are the actual dimensions, this type of drawings. So you need to practice more and more drawings, and you can also do some colors also. So whatever required for dimensions, where you can give the required colors so that the dimensions will be clearly visible. Go to this properties and select this by layer and give the light dimensions. Now you can also give the dimensions for the drawing also by selecting and give some color to the drawing. Now see, you can also create this type of colorful drawings also. So in this way we need to complete this type of drawings. So you need to practice more and more drawings so that the things will be better and clearly visible.